The installation guidance of alumina bricks. Step 1. Preparation work. The ball mill should be installed on the base in advance. Keep parallel to the ground, and make sure the ball mill can run smoothly after the cement is hardened. Ball mill inside condition. Any brick or cement residue, welding slag, rust, oil stains on the inner surface of the ball mill should be removed and the table should be smooth. The surface should be rough to improve the bonding effect. Tools, work light, exhaust fan, 2-3 clean plastic buckets for mixing cement paste, 2 buckets, 2 shovels, 1 broom, 2 metal heads, 2 mud boards, gloves. Pour water and white cement in the barrel and stir them together. The proportion of cement and water is 3:1. When installing the round face, it's better to use less water. Check the cement stickiness. Add white cement again. Stir the white cement until suitable viscosity. Step 2. Start installation. First start from the round face of the ball mill. Use straight bricks and straight half bricks together. Meanwhile, the installation work of cylinder also start. The main function of thin bricks is to fill gaps. Installation for edge. Strike and make bricks fit the ball mill edge. Proper cement. The upper bricks are tightly pressed against the gap of the lower 2 bricks, and the upper and lower rows of bricks must be installed with staggered gap. Installation of round side should be easier than cylinder. Installation of round side finish work. Start installation of cylinder. According to different ball mill size, the ratio of rectangular and trapezoid can be 5:1 or 4:1 or 3:1. The thickness of cement around 1 cm. Step 3. The process of ball mill manholes. The shape of manholes are usually round or square. According to the size of the manholes, break and trim the lining bricks to suitable size. Assemble the shape of the manholes and install it. It needs to be lightly tapped with a hammer to make the lining brick installation more secure. Break the brick and make appropriate shape. Customized service can be provided. Step 4. Installation complete. Installation is about to be completed. If of gaps, use flake bricks or cement to fill it. Installation is complete.